Greetings, August 5th, 2022. Budgies, are you checking this out? Mazel, Prime Minister Mazel, Your Excellency, this color ink matches your whole chest and stomach beautifully, beautifully. And actually complimentary as well to Your Royal Highness Principi over there, Your Highness. Okay, let's have a look. I printed the first two proofs in blue ink. Let's see if we can get this to lay flat here. We had one slight lino cutting mishap. We have El Banco Boidi. It looks like the right side, viewer's right, of the letter O got kind of cut out. So it says Boidi now. Pay to the order of, that should be your name there, 9,000 BOIDIOS. BOK. Bonafido BOIDIOS. BOK. And on the bottom here we have Hey, Lost Lutefisk. There's the Lutefisk there. Took me a minute at first glance to figure out where the head of the budgie is, and I actually had to look at the block, which is reverse image, head on the left in the block. There it is. So here's the head, the beak. So the point was, so the beak is there. There's the eye, that kind of forehead there. Chest, stomach, tail feathers, and large wing like kind of in flight there. Alright, there we have it. Okay, budgies, Mazel Tov, congratulations, felicidades, we're in business. We got a great foul FOWL currency for budgie parakeet seed treat, the wheatgrass and green sprouts that you all so love. Okie doke.